Sup, Isaac? This is this week's practice guide video, and there will be 3 objectives. The first one is to learn the chord G. This is what we did at the end of your lesson today. So, this is what it looks like. It's also included in the email. There's a chart that shows where your finger's supposed to go. But I'll go through it again really quick. First, you take your middle finger and you put it on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. Then you put your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Then you reach all the way over to the end and you put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Ring finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. And then you put your pinky right next to it on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. But I want to leave something up to you this week. This chord can be played with or without this ring finger being employed. This is what it sounds like with it. This is what it is without it. Both of them are legitimately the G chord. All I'm curious about is whether or not you find it easier while you're developing your finger strength to include or exclude the ring finger. Because if that ring finger helps you keep your pinky planted down, by all means keep it. But if it's just getting in the way, let's not worry about it. Let's just let it hang loose. So, that is objective number 1, is to solidify that G chord. And then objective 2 flows right out of that. And remember the chord progression we did last time, it was part of your objectives, which was E minor, C, D. This time, we're going to add G to that chord progression. So it's going to be G, E minor, C, D, and then back to G. And when you're doing that this week, don't worry about speed, don't worry about rhythm, don't worry about a metronome. All I care about is you just slowly running through what those chords feel like in your hands. Well, I played it wrong this time. So that way your fingers know exactly where to go, to where it becomes like second nature. So that's a really chill, zen sort of objective. Then the 3rd objective is continuing to build the A minor pentatonic scale. And this is part of practicing with the metronome. So we're with the metronome set to 86 BPM. I want you to practice going up and down the A minor pentatonic scale with different amount of clicks per each note. So in our lesson today, we did it with 3 clicks per note. We did down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, and etc. That is the first part of the 3rd objective. Go all the way up and down the scale with 3 clicks per note. Actually saying the words down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3. And remember, when you're coming back from the top, it's still down then up, not up then down. So when you're going backwards, it'll still be down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3. So, once you've done that, with 3 clicks per note, up and back, try it with 2 clicks per note. Down, up, down, up, then backwards. Down, up, down, up. And then, if you master that, going all the way down and up with 2 clicks per note, try it with 1. Down, up, 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 down, up. But that's like next level stuff. If you can't get to 1 click per note this week, that's fine. Really what I would like for you to have down just smooth like butter is the 3 clicks per note. And then if you can master 2, that's great. And if you can master 1, you're a rock star. Either way, we're on our way to that goal. So don't hesitate to email me if you have any questions. See you next week.